GitBook is a collaborative writing platform designed to create and publish documentation, manuals, and guides. Here's how to use GitBook for beginners. Sign up and create a new book. Go to GitBook and create an account. After logging in, click on Create a new book. You can choose to create a private or public book depending on whether you want others to access it. Write and organize content. GitBook uses Markdown syntax for writing. Each page you add is a Markdown file that can include headings, bullet points, links, images, and more. You can easily create chapters and subchapters by organizing them into folders within the book's table of contents. Use the editor to start writing your content. GitBook provides a what you see is what you get interface for beginners who don't want to write Markdown directly. Collaborate with team. You can invite team members to collaborate on the book by clicking Invite People. Everyone can contribute, edit, and review content in real time. Publish. Once your content is ready, click Publish to make your book live. GitBook offers options to publish your content as a website or a downloadable PDF.